How to pre-book baggage in AirAsia. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to pre-book baggage in AirAsia. First of all, open the Google browser on your phone. Then search here AirAsia. After searching, click to open its site. When you get into the site, you can log in or sign up to AirAsia by clicking on the login or sign up button. After that, tap on the chat with bow icon and start a new chat. Now click on select from travel block and choose the AirAsia flight option. Then go into baggage from add-ons. Select the check baggage policy option. They will provide you with the link of information regarding your chosen option. You can get into the link to learn more about it. Once you have read the instructions provided by them, tap on the purchase checked baggage option. Now they will help you if you provide your booking number. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.